the exits, each marked with a red exit sign. Floor path markings along the cabin aisle will illuminate in darkness and guide you to the nearest exit in an emergency. There are 4 main doors, 2 at the front of the cabin, 1 left and 1 right, and 2 at the rear of the cabin, 1 left and 1 right. There are 4 overwing exits in the center of the cabin, 2 left and 2 right. Please note, mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Don't worry if the bag does not inflate. Oxygen is flowing. To secure the mask, pull one end of the strap. Adults traveling with young children, please attend to your own mask first. Your life jacket is stowed in a pocket beneath your seat or in the panel above your head. In the unlikely event of landing in water, remove the jacket from its packet and place it over your head. Bring the strap around your waist, clip at the front and secure as the crew are now demonstrating. To inflate the life jacket, pull down sharply on the red toggle. There is a mouthpiece for further inflation or deflation and a light to attract attention. Do not inflate your life jacket inside the cabin, as to do so will impede your exit. Further information may be found on the safety card, which is displayed within the area you...
Please dim the cabin lights.
Yeah, look, you can see my reflection on my phone. Right, slap bang in the middle of your video.
So like you can see my arm.
Can you see it?
I haven't weight 2-4.
Can you see it though?
Yes, I can just about make it.
Captain proceeds for departure, please.
We're going through wake turbulence for Jumbo Jet.
Solid. It'll look quite pretty when we line up with the lights though, on the runway.
Yeah, it should do. Jesus. Fucking right.
Try your best, but you don't succeed.
When you try your best.
When you're bound for Stansted, but you end up in
Leeds. Oh my god.
That was as bad as Dublin.
That was as bad, if not worse. At least we didn't veer off to the side.
At least someone didn't shout shit in the background very loudly this time.
Oh, I should have done that, it would be funny. Would have fit in with my nose flying kind of plane.
The way is like to welcome you to London Stansted, where the local time is quarter to 10:20 minutes ahead of scheduled time. Please remain seated with the seatbelt fastened as the captain has switched off the fastest seatbelt time for you and the aircraft going to final complete stop. Exercise caution when over the lock exercise might be blocked during landing, pull down and cause injuries. But those who smoke, please refrain to submerge this next smoking area inside time building. For more information, can I do receive accommodation, please visit our website or ryan.com. And then finally, on behalf of our captain and his officer and special on board for you today. We'd like to thank you just to fly with us. It was our pleasure to kind of you. We hope to see you soon. You know, on the scheduled service. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Once again, thank you. Have a good night.
What the hell was